A TV is not just a screen. It's a piece of furniture that can be the focal point of your living room. In today's tech video, we are going to review the Samsung QN90B. A good TV should be able to respond to the needs of the viewers. It should be able to adapt to a variety of settings and environments. And it should also be able to provide a high-quality picture. TVs have come a long way from the days of black and white. The evolution of TVs has been driven by the need to have a better picture quality, color accuracy, and resolution. The following are some of the factors that make this a great TV. The size of the TV is important in order to get the best viewing experience. A larger screen will provide a more immersive experience, and it will look better when watching movies and playing video games. Be sure to get a good size that fits your space. We recommend a 55 or 65 inch in a normal size living room. Refresh rate is how often pixels are refreshed on your screen and are measured in hertz. The higher the refresh rate, the smoother your video will be. This TV has a very high refresh rate. It also needs to have an excellent display that will show off movies in their full glory and make gaming as eye-catching as possible. When it comes to resolution, it refers to how many pixels that are on your screen and determines how clear everything appears on your screen. With this TV having a higher resolution, it will make colors appear brighter and images sharper. It needs to look good. But more importantly, it needs to sound good. The speakers need to be powerful and clear with a deep bass that doesn't drown out any kind of dialogue. Now this TV does a pretty good job in that department, but you may need to upgrade to a soundbar to improve the sound quality. When it comes to hooking up other devices to this TV, be sure you think about how many HDMI ports that you'll need to make sure that this TV has enough for you. Now, most TVs on the market today have smart technology built into them, and this one will get you all your main apps like Netflix and Hulu. Another great feature that this TV has is it's easy to use with its intuitive menus and remote controls that are comfortable in hand. Overall, I think this is a great TV that will meet most people's needs. If this video was helpful, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.